Some cash advance apps charge a monthly membership fee, while others let you access their service without paying a recurring subscription. By the end, you'll know how no-subscription cash advance apps work, what costs to compare instead, and how to avoid choosing an app that looks free but still charges other fees. A no-subscription fee does not always mean a free cash advance. Some apps remove the monthly membership charge, but may still make money through optional instant transfer fees, service charges, or other costs. The first thing to check is the pricing structure. Look for required fees, optional fees, transfer charges, and the total amount you will repay. The final cost matters more than whether an app has a subscription. Cash advance apps usually require you to complete an application and connect financial information before you can receive an advance. The provider may review your account activity, income information, or other eligibility factors before approving access. Without a subscription fee, you may avoid paying a recurring charge every month when you are not using the service. This can be useful if you only need occasional access to a cash advance. The trade-off is that another fee may apply when you actually use the service. For example, a faster transfer option may have a different cost than a standard delivery option. Check the available choices before requesting money. Repayment terms are also important. Review when the advance will be taken back, how much will be withdrawn, and whether the repayment date matches your upcoming income. A good comparison focuses on 3 areas: required costs, transfer options, and repayment rules. An app with no subscription fee may be a better fit than a membership-based service if you only need occasional access. You should also check the app's requirements before signing up. Some services may require certain income patterns, account connections, or other information to determine eligibility. The best no-subscription cash advance app depends on how often you need advances and which fees you want to avoid. Someone who uses the service once may prefer avoiding monthly charges, while frequent users may compare other pricing features. The key points are simple. No subscription does not always mean no fees. Always check the full pricing details, and compare the total repayment amount before borrowing. Before choosing a cash advance app, read the fee details and repayment terms first. If you want more comparisons of financial apps and borrowing options, like and subscribe.